Do you like a banana?
What do you want? I don't know.
Pet him.
No, Brayton's gonna attack me.
Oh! You okay?
Bro, why this dog head so skinny?
Guys, only game that isn't a sick.
No one prepared you for what you do with the tactics. This is not how I want to go out, Grissom.
What? Look! Look!
Hey, bro, you know what I just realized? You're not stronger than me. Let's go.
You look so cute.
I'm scooching right here if you don't mind. Shh.
Guys, only game that isn't a sick.
Alert when you fall down the stairs, life alert, and we'll be right there.
Hey, what are you doing, bro? What?
Oh, there's a fucking dog. Can I have it? Come on, come on, come on, come on. Hey, yes! I'm taking it. I keep you.
Get your tongue off my door. Get it off my door.
Good boy. Show me your teeth.
And how to speak my dog's language.
Hi, Wiener.
Hey, boy. Hey, hey. Whoa, holy shit.
Drop it. Aww. Oh my god. Stop!
You're my friend now. We're having soft tacos later.
Would you like a treat?
How my brother told me how to chase the bike.
Oh, hello! Ready to go?
Oh, too loud.
Too loud. Good boy.
About it.
Baby, they were too busy for a pup cup. I'm sorry.
He's going crazy. He's got the zoomies. Oh, he died.
Did you miss Alina?
Oh my goodness.
I'm alive. I'm dead. I'm watching TV. I'm looking at you. Fuck you. I'm dead again. I'm up. I can run faster than a bitch.
Baby, they were too busy for a pup cup. I'm sorry.
Riot, do you want to get neutered?
People ask me, why do you spoil him? Why do you let him get away with so many things? Because of that face. Can you guys sit?
Sam, what you doing? You got a hot dog, buddy?
You know you're my baby and I love you, but you cannot go turkey hunting with me.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Marshall. Happy birthday to you.
Who's your best friend? Who's your best friend? Who's your best friend? Pizza? Hey! I can't help you at the moment, dude. I'm a little indisposed.
Brandy!
The big palm tree? It's gonna be awesome. Can't wait. Just don't leave me your house, right?
You're my friend now. We're having soft tacos later.
Taco for dog.
Stop. Okay. No.
Sam! 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 What you doing? You got a hot dog, buddy?
If you don't do your fucking vocab and we lose the vocab bowl, I kill the dog.
Donut. Oh shit.
Donut! Oh my god.
He's a real Mexican.
But go woo woo.
Oh, too loud.
Too loud. Good boy.
You are being a brat. A brat. Yeah.
Oh.
Sorry. Roxy. Good job, Lucy.
Alles on fleek, mama. Yeah.
Where do you
Right down the road. Right down the road. Oh, right there's a bear. Yeah, or not the bear, so past that.
He looks that big on that, doesn't he? His head looks big. What do you think?
Okay, take a
Wrigley. No. How did he know?
Bring your butt here.
Can we get an a whoop?
Can I please take a nap?
Kevin, why is the neighbor's golden retriever pregnant? I'm not even mad. I just want to know how you did it. Like, just a regular day driving around with
My box full of puppies!
Good job. Wanna come in? Run.
Happy birthday to
Mi beso.
Your dog have normal eyes, or does your dog have strangely human eyes that make you think he's trapped the soul?
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
Snoop Dogg!
Turn around! Turn around! Tiki, turn the fuck around! Jesus fucking Christ! Oh my god, you're so fucking dumb! Oh my god, you're so lucky I love you!
Oh.
Blaze, grab your puppuccino, dude.
To 10, but she has no concept of personal space.
He's going crazy. He's got the zoomies. Oh, he died.
Stop. Okay. No.
Hey, leave her alone. Oh, baby. Oh my god, are you okay? Are you okay? Hi, buddy. Oh, it says beware. Hi. Hi. Are you going to school? Are you going to school today? Oh my gosh. Go get on. It's school day. Do you want this lemon?
Strider! Get out of here, I'm in the bathroom. Hey!
Right here.
Look at those pretty eyes.
Tito, this way. Tito, what do you have? No, no, no.
Would you like a treat?
Where's the teeth? Show us. Ah.
It is bedtime. Let's go.
How am I supposed to study in these conditions?
Let's go, kids. Let's go, kids.
Buffy, you snore too damn loud. If you don't snore tonight, I promise I will bring you to the beach tomorrow. Deal?